Now let's get started to editing our page. So just like every other website, let's take a website for example. Just like every other website, there's always something we call hero banner, or yes, hero banner. So hero banner is basically the first thing you see on every website, just like the sample you are seeing on my screen now. So let it load. So on this my screen, you see the menu. Then this hero banner is showing like an animation at the background there, the website name, short information about the website, and a button to perform an action. If you go to every other website too, you basically see things like that. So there's always an hero banner, like a very big banner at the top of the screen that you get to see first before you see every other thing. So this is Apple website. So this is their hero banner. So let's design a basic hero banner with our Elementor page. So here, the first thing we want to do is to add a container, a very big container. So we click on this plus button. So it's either you want to do a grid or a flex box. So let's do a flex box. So it's a big hero banner. So it's just a one section, not section divided into different other sections. So I will select this. So we have this our big hero banner here. So here we have the section as a whole. Notice the structure I was talking about the other time. So here we have a container now as a first. So this container is this container here. So on top of this container, we have three icons. We have the plus icon. This plus icon is to add another section at the top of this section. So this one at the center is to edit, while this is to remove the container. So we want to design an hero banner. So let us we already had the section. Now let's edit this as section to look like something like this or something like this. So firstly, we click on the edit, and we have some couple of information at the left panel. So immediately you select to edit any element on this Elementor page or any container. This hero banner changes. You notice that when I click outside the box, it went back to our element list. So but when I click on the edit here, it changes at the left panel. So these are the edit functionality that I can use to edit this particular session or container. So the first one is container layout, which is flex box that we selected the other time. The content is saying boxed. Now boxed means that it is not fully stretched to the edge of the screen. Like you see here, you see like a tiny dashed line. So it's simply telling you that everything you put into this section would not exceed this dashed line. This dashed line would not show on your website. It's just telling you as a designer that this is the width length of your section. So, and since on our sample site we have hero banner that extend from one end of the screen to the other end of the screen. So here we want to select full width. So on full width, you notice that it is now stretched to the end of the screen. There are times that you would want to use boxed. There are times you want to use full width. It all depends on what you want to use that particular container or section for. It all depends. But because this is an hero banner, we want it extended to the end of our screen. So that is that. Then this is the width. We can always reduce it. If you don't want to use full width, you can always reduce or increase it the way you want. So it's in percentage. You can use percentage, you can use pixel, you can always read on all these things. So let's use percentage, 100%. Now the next one is mean height. It is called minimum height. That is, no matter the device that this user is accessing this website from, this is the minimum height that you want your session to grow. So let me increase it. Notice that this session keeps growing as I increase it. So this will be the minimum height of this our session. So let's just leave it as 600 like this.